Hello class, I wanted to make a quick common mistakes video. First off, I'd like to thank Mrs. Baker for making this help sheet for us. It's very helpful and hopefully you can figure out what you're supposed to do from here. Please, make a drawing of your room, draw out the lengths and the widths. That'll help you out along the way. Then you write down the lengths, so if you have a number here and another number here, the width, and you are supposed to multiply those to get the area, the square feet. The word by means multiply, not add. Another thing is if you're getting a large area here, double check to make sure you are measuring in feet, not inches. Some of you have gone way too big. If you end up with a number in the hundreds, you're probably in inches and not in feet. Remember, there are 12 inches in each foot. Okay, so once you get this area, you can write that same number down right here and right here where it says area. So you're just transferring the number down uh, to help you out there. Then go to HomeDepot.com, search for carpet pad, find one that you like, and put in the cost. So let's say the cost was 19 cents, as it was for a lot of you. 19 in math here, when you're trying to punch it into the calculator, you are typing in 0.19. Not 19 times, it is 0.19 times whatever your area is. Some of you are ended up with some pretty large numbers here. Okay, same thing for carpet. Go to HomeDepot.com, search for the carpet. Look for a carpet that you like. Anywhere, this ends up being anywhere from like 65 cents to $3 and some cents here. And then times it by the area, you get your total cost. Okay, then we get down to the base molding. So for the base molding, this is the outside of your room. It is the boards going along the wall on the bottom. And so when we're talking about going around the outside of the room, we need to find perimeter. So you see the picture up here, it's length plus width plus length plus width. So we end up with two lengths and two widths, and we are adding those together. So the first thing is you take whatever length you had at the top of your room, whatever length that is, and you are times it by 2. Some of you are squaring it. So if your length was 13, it is not 13 squared, it is 13 times 2, which is 26. Okay? And then whatever width you have, times it by 2 to get how many linear feet you have. Add these two together. So the two lengths plus the two widths gets you your perimeter. Once you get to that point, your perimeter is going to be divided by 8 because each board is 8 foot apiece. And you're going to get some sort of number of boards. Now remember, Home Depot is not going to sell you 7.26 boards. You need to round that number up to the nearest one going up. That'd be 8 in that case. Then you take the cost, whatever the cost is for the base molding, times how many boards, that gets you a cost for that. Now, notice how Mrs. Baker here had a green star and a blue star and an orange star. You're taking the green star plus the blue star plus the orange star for the total cost. And that's all you need. Okay? Now, for this week, we are moving on to page 2, which will be the wood laminate for your bedroom. And then for week 3, we will do the vinyl for your bathroom. All right, those of you that are done with all 3 pages, great job. You're all done for a while here, and I will post in a couple weeks. Thank you very much. Have a great day.